Greetings everyone and welcome to AI Future or Fiction. Today we are going to uncover the myth of neutrality in artificial intelligence and who really pulls its strings. Imagine an elite team analyzing global power. They promised you that artificial intelligence would be neutral, a tool for everyone. But the reality is different. Wealth isn't distributed. Instead, absolute dominance is concentrated. What if that neutrality were just a fiction? We present to you the framework of long problems. It is the only compass in a world where the future already has a private owner. Let us begin then with our story. Imagine entering a labyrinth of data where promises of equality fade. The elite team began tracking the traces of energy and specialized talent. What they found was not an open global network. In reality, they discovered a locked fortress. Only a few rich nations concentrate the necessary computing power. There, too, the planet's brightest minds take refuge. The World Bank provides evidence of this constantly growing technological rift. There is a cruel distinction between the owners of the infrastructure and the mere users. While a few design the rules of tomorrow, the rest of the world only consumes the results. This is the physical structure of the machine of inequality. It is a map where power has owners with specific names. However, upon trying to delve deeper, the team hit a wall of silence. The opacity of the system is its most effective defense. Vital data is protected by layers of corporate secrets impossible to penetrate. What are they really trying to hide behind those digital walls? The truth seems to be the greatest danger for those who control the mechanism. Beyond the walls of computation, the team descended towards the data centers of the global south. Imagine walking through hot offices where thousands of hands feed artificial intelligence. There they label images and translate dialogues for cents an hour. They are the raw material for a system they will never see working in their own homes. OECD reports confirm a bitter reality. There is a constant flow of digital wealth that travels from poor regions towards northern markets. While these communities generate vital information, the economic benefits evaporate before reaching them. The supposed technological inclusion increasingly resembles a new form of mining. Now, what happens when we hand over our identity to an alien mind? The human cost of this progress is the silence of those who only serve as fuel. What for some is a marvel, for others is the trace of an extraction without return. Perhaps this is not the shared future, but an old story with new tools. You realize that observing inequality is not enough to stop it. The elite team understood that the real problem doesn't lie in algorithms, but in time, they discovered Thomas Hale's long problems framework. This theory explains why our current institutions fail. They are designed to solve immediate crises, but artificial intelligence operates on a generational scale. This disconnect turns technology into an accelerator of old injustices. Without a policy designed for the future, advancements are built on fragile foundations. What you see as inevitable progress is, in reality, a series of decisions that ignore tomorrow. The system rewards speed even if it destroys long-term stability. At this point, the team stopped analyzing the code to focus on power. They understood that the digital divide is not a system error. It is its logical consequence. If laws don't see beyond the present, who will protect the fate of the coming decades? Suspicion transformed into a bitter certainty. We are letting an advanced tool be governed by obsolete structures. You have reached the point of no return. The elite team has laid its cards on the table before the global community. The future of technology is not written in silicon, but in our political priorities. We have two paths before us. The first is a frantic race for productivity that benefits a few. The second is a slower, more human advance, designed for the stability of all. Is artificial intelligence a tool for the common good or just an advertising fiction? The machine of inequality will only stop if you understand that progress does not exist without justice. We are not facing an inevitable evolution of code. This is a political decision about who we want to be in this century. The power to change course still resides in our collective will. The real question is not what this digital mind can do for you. It's what you are willing to sacrifice so that it does not divide us forever. Destiny is in the hands of those who dictate the rules of the game today. Will we choose a shared tomorrow or allow the birth of a definitive hierarchy? Time to decide is running out while the machine continues to observe your every move. The machine processes data while the veil of supposed neutrality completely fades away. Will you demand institutions that look to tomorrow? Or will you accept being a simple cog in someone else's engine? Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI future or fiction. Your political will is the only piece that technology cannot yet predict. Subscribe to continue exploring the limits of our digital reality. Time is running out, and the shadow of an unequal future reaches us today.